Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can put the SIM card in your iPhone 14 series device. Alrighty, to start off, the SIM card tray is located at the left side of the phone, a little below the volume rocker right here. As you can see, it has this little hole which you need to, inject with some kind of tool or paper clip in order for the SIM card tray to come right out. So I have this special injection tool which is being included in basically any iPhone any phone box kit, iPhone included, so you can get it from there. If you do not have it, just use some regular paper clip, like unfold it and use like the most sharp and thin part of it or basically anything else that is long and small and thin enough to enter this little hole. So simply inject it into it and push it right into this special hole until the SIM card tray pops out. And then just use your fingers to take it out real easily and slightly, no force needed. Then take your nano SIM card, I have it right here, and all you gotta do in order to install the SIM card into your iPhone properly is to align this little edge with the same edge on the SIM card itself. So position it properly, it will dive into this little space designed for it with ease if you did everything correctly and aligned everything correctly. So as you can see, nothing hard. Next, make sure to align this little hole over here with the same hole at the phone itself and just put it back inside, just like so. And as you can see by this network status icon at the status bar, we have successfully inserted the SIM card and it now works just fine. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.